welcome to Lifestyle Trucker. Today I'm in California and I'm picking up some cars. Usually there is no rain in Cali, but since it's winter time they have rainy weather. I'll show you guys my new trailer. This is new trailer that I have. And let's see some cars. Got a BMW M2 and I got this Lincoln Continental. Yep, so now I'm gonna go load up this Blazer right here, so you can see. Chevy Blazer Custom. This thing can go like really low. This is the highest right now, at the highest point. So let me guys load it up and I'll show you in a second once it's in. So now it's my strap time. Just strip off this guy right here. This one is playing too much, so I have to put more straps on the bottom. I'm gonna walk through here. I'm gonna add one more strap on this front wheel. So that one's perfect now, it doesn't move much. Try to shake it just a little bit, like maybe an inch. And this is the back of this guy. Put a strap, I'm gonna strip it up. And then we're gonna add more cars on the top. So I got three cars right now. We got a BMW, we got the Lincoln, and we have this Blazer. So we'll see what they're gonna give me. Three more cars. Small on the back and two more on the top. Any cars we can put on the top. Alright guys, we'll see when we get it. My fourth car. And this place, let's see. It's beautiful, man. Alright, let's see, where's my lunch? It's not an exit, but got myself some chicken. Now I can just sit, watch my family. So now I'm gonna go load this up and that Porsche Cayenne. So this is a Cayenne GTS 2025. It's a pretty expensive vehicle, they told me. If it's GTS, that means it costs more. GTS. So I'm gonna load this up and then I'll try to load that plastic thing right in the back of this trailer right here. Here we go. So I got my Porsche Cayenne inside my trailer. Looks like this. And my next car, I mean this car is wide actually guys, it's so wide, you can see. It's about like 4 inches maybe. So yeah, that's the newest Cayenne they got, GTS. Now I'm gonna load this, what is this thing called, man? Chevy Blazer. I'm gonna put it right here on this platform. I think it should fit. I think it should, like right by here I'm gonna put, and should be good. Alright. So now I loaded all my 4 cars and I gotta go pick up the 5th car, 6th, and maybe K&N motorcycle thing, tri-bike, whatever it's called. So that's the one, that's the Cayenne, that's the classic car, and my Beamer up here, that's the Beamer right here. Alright guys, see you in San Diego. Next stop, San Diego area. And now I'm in San Diego area. This is my 5th car. That's the 5th car, picking up. So that's my 2nd level right now. And I'm gonna put a BMW right now, right here in the middle. That's my other cars. So let's go to the Beamer And next car is gonna be this BMW. We're gonna try to put it all the way on the top, like all the way up there. And then one more car. I'm gonna do tomorrow morning, and that would be it. I'll head out all the way to Massachusetts. And there's the Beamer. So now I'm in San Diego. This is my scooter. I always use this when I travel. And you can see how beautiful it is in San Diego today. Even though it was like rainy weather today here, but now I'm gonna go eat. I found some restaurant. So we're gonna go out, eat a little bit, and then tomorrow pick up my last car and maybe a motorcycle or something. We'll see if I have enough space. So when I travel, I always go to restaurants to eat and stuff. So today I found some seafood place and I'm gonna go try it out. See, you know, how does it taste and all that. So yeah, found some place like this today. Seafood. So I chose to sit outside just to be alone, you know, after a long day. And I have a heater over here, so it's nice and warm.
Alright, these are the 6 oysters here, and I brought you some Tabasco.
Alright, awesome. Look
and so you're going to get one of each of the marked ones. Your first one's going to be the Bahia Falsa here, and it's going to go clockwise.
Okay, awesome. Okay. Thank you so much. Yep. Yes. Alrighty. This is for start. So this is how I dine, guys. You just having the oysters. Looks like this. Man, good stuff. Good stuff. And now I got my dinner. I got some shrimp. I don't know what it's even called. With some nice sauce and stuff. Yeah, that's why I like to do trucking, because you can travel, eat good, see nice places, and even get paid good for that. Then go shopping, like right here in Old Navy, whatever store you want to go. You can see it. I mean, this job is awesome, guys. So this is next morning. After I had yesterday the restaurant, I decided to go for breakfast. I found this breakfast place right here, Broken Yolk Cafe. I mean, California has a lot of In-N-Outs, but they usually open like around 10, I believe. So, and this is I-8. This is the highway you take towards San Diego and Arizona. I forgot what city in Arizona. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna eat some breakfast and then go pick up my last car. This is the restaurant inside. Got myself a Benedict and some nice latte. I mean, it's not too bad. See the palms outside. So, and love breakfast. Sometimes you gotta take like wide turns and stuff, so I go like this. Then I go all the way to this curb. And then pull this lane. And this is it. Well, I have picked up my 6 cars, and now they told me we might get a bike. Or like a tri-bike or something. Like a 7 unit in my trailer, so. And look at this guy. This is big auction here in like North San Diego area. Dude, this guy's have like around 2,000 bikes, he told me. This is like tri-bike kinda. Wow, it's a lot of bikes. I mean, funny thing, I own 2 bikes also, so. Yeah, I got 2 motorcycles myself. So I got my 6 cars inside my trailer. As you can see, I got Laser, I got the Tesla. And now, they said, try to fit this inside the trailer. And it's a little bit longer than I have enough, like, I'm not having enough room, so we'll see what I can do about this. It's pretty long, man. And I have not much space at all in the back. So let's see what happens. if it's gonna fit. So I tried to get in my trailer, and this thing doesn't fit this way. It's sticking out a bit. So yeah, it won't fit like this. So I might have to play with it, maybe try to put a sideways or something. Let's see what happens. So what I did, I put this thing like this, sideways, and I'm gonna try to fit sideways inside the trailer and see if it's gonna fit or not. If it doesn't fit like this, then that's it, I'm not taking this thing. This thing is like extra $900. So cars usually go for like around 2,000 bucks, let's say, and this is like $950. So that's why we decided to take it, just, you know. But we didn't know we're gonna have this, you know, not much space. This is not much space at all. But we'll see what happens. We'll see it. So what I did with this motorcycle thing, I tried to put sideways like this. Maybe I'll put a strap like that. One, hopefully I'm gonna do through here. Because this is my point right here. I have a little bit of space, so that's good. And then I'll go in the back. Not much, but maybe I'll pull forward and have this bike inside my trailer. And this is the Tesla, that's right here, there's another beam. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna go, guys. Back to East Coast, just like this. 6 cars and this dirt bike. Make the crosses good, you know? Alright guys, this is it. Now I'm living in San Diego, California, so picked up all my 6 cars and the dry bike, my trailer. As you can see, this is Cali, San Diego area, so guys, this is it. I'm gonna finish my this part 1 video about me loading all the cars from California to East Coast. Like I said, I'm fully loaded. 6 cars and a tri-bike on the back of my trailer. I mean, it's kind of dirty. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Let me know in comments if you want to see more of this content.